friends, this is Sneha Pradeep Lad. Welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today we are going to make a mixed veg rice. But before starting the rice, we have to make a paste of these items. The ingredients are, I have roasted peanut and then I made powder. This is 2 teaspoons of peanut powder. This is 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, means til, some coriander leaves, 7 to 8 curry leaves, 3 to 4 green chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, few pieces of ginger and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. All these things I am going to grind it and make it into a smooth paste. The ingredients for mixed veg rice that we are going to take is that first we made the paste of ginger garlic and the other ingredients I have shown. Here I have taken some pieces of cauliflower. All these vegetables first I washed and then I cut it into pieces. Vegetables, you can take any vegetable whichever are available at home. I have taken some cauliflower, half carrot, half cup of green peas, half onion. This is shahi jeera. You can take cumin seeds also, no problem. Here I have washed 3 cups of rice. I didn't soak it, I just washed it and I have kept here. And here are the masalas which I have taken. Turmeric 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. All these things you can adjust according to your taste. I have taken asafoetida, that is hing, and oil, and we are going to take water while boiling all these things. So let's start our recipe. Now I will be adding the caraway seeds, that is just quarter teaspoon. Let it splutter for a minute. It has started spluttering. Now we will add onion. Now the onion, let it get little brown. Now our onions are brown. Now we will add the paste. This we are going to cook for few minutes. The gas flame should be very low. In this mixed veg rice, I am using my own garam masala, homemade garam masala. For each and every rice item which I am preparing, I am using homemade garam masala, and that also I prepare at that moment only. I make some changes while preparing this rice. Sometimes we are not putting til and peanuts also. Sometimes we put. So in this way we can make different paste of ginger garlic. Now we are going to add our masalas and salt. We will not allow it to burn. We have to be very quick. Then we will add our rice, which I have already washed. This is 3 cups of rice. Then we will add our vegetables. Vegetables you can take of your choice and whichever available at home. masalas will be mixed well. And we have to adjust the water according to our rice. Some rice needs less water, some needs more. And in the cooker we are going to add water up to this level. Now we will be adding water. I will tell again, when we are making in the pot, if we are taking 3 cups of rice, you have to take double quantity of water, nearly 6 cups of water. But always it depends on the rice, how it cooks. Some rice needs more water, some needs less water to cook. Here I have taken up to this level. I have taken double water, means nearly 6 cups of water. Now we will take 3 whistles. Friends, as our rice was ready, I served it in the plate with lots of salad. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Hope you will like my recipe. Thank you.